Hey everyone, welcome to Byte by Debugger. Today we are talking about one of the simplest but most widely used pattern in software development, the singleton design pattern. If you have ever wondered how to ensure only one instance of class exists in your application, then this pattern is for you. The singleton pattern ensures that a class has only one instance throughout the application and provide a global point of access to that instance. This means no matter how many times you try to create it, only one object will ever exist because of global point of access we will provide. Imagine you are building a logging system. Would you want multiple logger object writing to different files? Probably not. That would create chaos. Or think about a configurable class. Your application shouldn't have multiple versions of that configuration floating around. You want just one instance that's shared everywhere. That's exactly where the singleton pattern comes in. Now I will take you to the coding part where interviewer might ask you to write the singleton design pattern for any class. So here we have created a singleton Java class where in first step we have created private static instance of that class. And in next step we have created private constructor, default constructor to private so that nobody can directly access or create instance of it. And in third we have created a public method where everyone will get instance of this class. So what we have did in this class, this method, if instance equal to null, then we will initialize the instance to this class and we will return that instance. So this is the lazy initialization, that whenever the first request come to this method, then only we will initialize the instance and return it. So here one problem is there. If two or more threads are calling this method at same time, then everyone will get instance equal to null and everyone will create new instance of singleton class. So here our logic of singleton class will fail. So what we can do? So for thread safety, we can do synchronized keyword here so that the first request come or multiple requests will come, then only one will get executed and other will wait here. So this will thread safe, but this will be lagging, or you can say code will be executed in more time because all will wait here. A synchronized block will be created and then all will wait here. So later on any request will come, then they will also stop here, first create synchronized block and then they will be executed in their part. So what we can do to avoid this one also? So one way is to create the instance of this class at load time. So so we this will be thread safe always. But let's say if our class is too heavy or complex object are created, then at start time or load time we don't have to create that instance of it. So what is the better approach to create it? So we can create a synchronized block inside it and we will double check it. So I am creating synchronized block here. Let's say singleton dot class. But here also is still a problem. We can check first if instance equal to null, then only we will enter in this synchronized block so that later on any request will come, then also we will not execute synchronized block. So here multiple threads will come, then they will wait, they all will get, but they will wait here, and again we will check if null. So if one thread is executed, then we can create it volatile so that if one thread is executed, then other threads will notify that this instance is not null here, so they directly return the instance. So let's see here how we can get the instance of that classes. So both, so we have created two instances of it, and we are printing out both object if they are equal. So this should print true. Yes, only one time the instance creation method is printed, and this is true. What if we are creating different instance? Then this should print false, and this will create two times. Okay guys, thank you.